Hey, good afternoon from beautiful Fort Lauderdale. Mike Ehrlich and Bill Massa with MarineMax want to show you this new listing. This is a 350 Sea Ray Sundancer Coupe. We're going to start on the back of the boat here. This boat has the extended swim platform. Underneath that extended swim platform is a power swim step, which you can see in the still photos. Also back here on this extended platform, you have the gourmet station, which gives you an electric grill as well as a sink. Storage drawers down beneath for all your grilling tools. Pretty awesome setup here. All your cords and everything will attach right back here. Nice hidden compartment, not a hole to put your cords through. There's custom rod holders on this boat. Not up right now is the flag that comes with the boat. That would drop in here. This boat also has all around the custom fender clips, so you don't have to tie to your rails, which is nice. The boat has always been dry stored out of the water on a lift with no bottom paint. The outdrives are the Seacor outdrives. Big cockpit, wraparound seating. This table will drop down and there's filler cushions down below for it. Also here in the cockpit we have a power extended sure shade that'll come right out and give you shade when you're cooking at the back even. Of course, because it is a coupe, we're going to have cockpit air conditioning in this boat, cockpit TV. Also have a cockpit cool box refrigerator in this boat, so you're not running up and down to grab that adult beverage or water. Good storage beneath the seats for dive gear, whatever you want to carry. The boat has full navy covers. Everything's in as new condition. All the snaps are there, all the bungees, no rips, no tears. Port side here under the hardtop, you have the Cleopatra lounger. I'll tell you, that seat's awesome. I know my customers love that seat. The helm seat rotates. Has a thigh rise, and I can spin it around to face aft. You'll see pictures of that in the still photos. Let's talk a little bit about how much control you have on this boat. If you look, you'll see you have the Mercury Axius joystick system with Skyhook, as well as a bow thruster. Anybody can maneuver and park this boat. Digital throttle and shift, VHF, EPIRB will convey with the boat, Fusion stereo, Simrad Smartcraft and plotter, as well as analog gauges. Right now the boat has 110 hours of use on the engines. Coming into the beautiful cabin, forgot to point out the huge sunroof up there, and everything has cool blue lights at night. One big expansive main salon cabin, sleeping area forward, opening hatch, plenty of storage up high around the gunnels. Nice couch settee here opposite the television. That does pull out and becomes a small bed as well. Separate air conditioner from the cockpit for down in here. Opposing seating so you can have conversations. The main distribution panel is cleverly hid behind the seat. Easy to get to, easy to see. The generator has a whopping 48 hours on it. A unique feature of the 350 Coupe is an enclosed mid-cabin. You have two single berths, or you can make it a berth for a double back there. There's also a TV in there and a place to sit, as well as port lights for natural sunlight. All right, closing that and popping into the head. Of course, vacuum flush toilet with holding tank and macerator and overboard discharge with an interlock. You have the beautiful basin sink, and forward of that, you actually have a stall shower in a 35. Very unusual feature in 35-foot Sea Rays to have that separate stall shower. Fully equipped galley to starboard, microwave, 2-burner stove, refrigerator, opening port lights. That's going to conclude our tour of this 35 Sea Ray Sundancer Coupe. Contact Bill or Mike at MarineMax 954-783-9555. Thanks.